welcome back to our channel. And my name is Diana and our channel is Bilingualing. Welcome. We are a bilingual homeschool family doing our thing, learning day by day, making mistakes and learning from them. So if you are a homeschool parent that is raising bilingual kiddos, follow our journey, learn with us. You can learn more. I'm going to be sharing some stuff with you. Today I am going to be sharing some of the things that we found for our homeschool this year. Now, let me give you a little bit of a disclaimer. You do not need any of this, but this is what we're going to use to add put a little bit of a fun spin to our homeschooling journey this year. So let me show you. First, look, if you have not had whipped coffee, you're missing out. Go look it up. Whipped coffee is the way to go. All right. So let me start by showing you a couple of things I got from Target, okay? So one of the things that I got from Target was this that I found. I thought it would be good for my two youngest kiddos for different purposes, but it's this little wooden tray and it comes with alphabet cards and sand. So you put the sand in here, you put the little card, and then you have them trace it on the little tray over the sand. I thought that was really cool. My kids really enjoy stuff like this, like hands-on type of activities. They would do this over like any worksheet any day. I also got from Target this puzzle right here. It says we are better together. I love to have stuff like this around the house. All right. The next stuff, I'm gonna just reach for it. I got from the Dollar Tree store. Got these little whiteboards, one for each kid, so that when we're playing any game or, you know, like they can just do that. Something fun for them to do. I also got cards. We got subtraction, addition, and multiplication ones. I have some already, but you know, they always get lost and you can never have enough cards. I got this little sticker puzzle. My middle kid, he really enjoys little stickers and activities like that. I also got a little multiplication book so that Aiden can practice his multiplications. I found this right here that I think I'm gonna use for like books. So after they read a book, they can put a sticker on one of those and then they can redeem it for something. I still don't know what, but it seemed like a good idea when I was at Dollar Tree. And then I got stickers because on the first day of school, you know how if you watch my last video on the curriculum, each kid has interactive journals this year. So I'm going to have them kind of decorate however they want the cover. So I'm providing some stickers for them. So I bought these stickers, and I also need to look for some, I guess I have activities too. But I am trying to find stickers that have stuff that they like sports and stuff like that. I have one that's really into sports, and I have one that is really into video games. So the little one, I still don't know what he's into that much yet. All right, so I found this one. My oldest actually picked this one out. He really likes animals too. So we got this one. And last but not least, yep, I got this so that I could put like the books that we're going to be reading out loud together for the week. And also to put library books here, because I don't want them to be getting mixed up with the ones that I have here or in our living room. So I have that. Now the next things, all the rest of the things are going to be from Amazon. And I didn't want to spend too much money on Amazon, but my goddaughter and her mom, they're so sweet, they reached out to me and they asked me if I had a homeschool wish list, because last year when I was teaching at a public school, we made teacher wish lists. So they actually sent us a gift card, and I was able to buy all of these things with the gift card that they send us. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to show you, this actually just got in right before I started recording the video. This got in, I saw the delivery man, and I was like, oh, I gotta go get that. I wasn't stalking or anything, but I was waiting for it. The first day of school, so that I could write on here. And then look, it has the last day also. So this is gonna be the gift that keeps on giving. I'm gonna use it for both the boys. And I also got the little chalk marker. I have really bad handwriting, so I am hoping that this helps me. So this can look super nice for their first day of school pictures. Also, I got some highlighters. We were needing some highlighters, and these were really cool. I really like the shape, the different colors. Okay, I got them these for their pencil grip. Okay, got little post-it notes and these little ones right here. So when we're reading, we can annotate and flag different pages. I also got this. I got a couple of weeks ago, but they're posted anchor charts. Okay. And this one I'm really excited about too. Oh, it is so big. It is so big. Okay. It's post-it notes as well. But look, it has that line. Do you see that? The dotted lines? Yes, I love it. All right. I also have some interactive things because the boys are very hands-on. So I am super excited for the finds that I got. Okay, so I got this for my baby. And he's going to be practicing. He can practice numbers because it has, this one has 1, this one has 2, 3, 4, and 5. He can practice shapes, colors, and even patterns as well. So we got this. I also got Aiden, my oldest, this multiplication table. And let me show you. It's a lot of little wooden cubes. Now when you lift it, it has the answer at the bottom. So that's just something that, I mean, he can use the little cards, but this is something that's more hands-on that he will enjoy taking out and putting back in there. Just anything, right? I'm just looking for anything that will get their attention and help them throughout the day. Also, I have been wanting one of these forever. So I got this from Amazon too, and it is something that my kids can use. Look, it comes with a whiteboard, and then it looks like this, and it has letters. You see that? The magnetic letters. And I really like that the vowels are in different colors. So we can use that. And this is just so that they can form letters. This can also be a thing where they practice their spelling words, and they can just use these too. But I really like this. So we got this one. All right. And I also found, let's see. I also found this, the alphabet in Spanish. There you go. Okay. This one is also from Amazon. And I got this. So we're going to be doing a bug unit study. So we're going to be learning all about bugs for the first month of school. So I got them this because I want us to grow butterflies. So I just have to order the, right here, the little butterflies, and then we will grow them. Maybe, I'm not really a plant person, but maybe we can even plant, flowers that will attract butterflies out there in the backyard. Who knows, where the unit will take us. But I'm super excited about this. It's very interactive. It has a little net thing, and it has a flower feeder. Super cute. All right, and I think I have one more thing. I also got this right here. My kids already opened it, and they have loved it so far. So it comes with this little board right here. It has several cards with designs, and then they have to recreate them with rubber bands. But what I really like is that it has numbers on the side and at the top, and the little task cards do too. And they can use those numbers to guide and recreate the little image on there. So they started playing with this last night, and they loved it. In this box is our lectores, our box for lectores, for the little readers in your house. I'll show you what it has inside. So inside we have some letter tiles, wooden letter tiles. Here. We have a book, and this is all in Spanish. We do have some boxes that are English, but some of them are in Spanish as well. And I really love this book because it has the little flaps that you can manipulate. So and it's perfect for back to school. This box is perfect for back to school. We have a librito de palabras right there. And if you open it up, it has pictures and words, and they're divided in syllables. Okay? So that you have to look at the syllables and put them in order. Like for this one, it's dado. So you would have to go through here and look for da, and over here and you look for do. So you make the word that goes with the picture. Okay, so we have that. Yes, they're over here asking me questions. Okay, we also have in the box a word mat that looks like this. And they basically you take out all the words, and they just have to read the word and match it to the image. So that's another of the activities that we have there. And we included one of these little super interactive toys that kids are in love right now. And how I use it is I would give my child a word. For example, lupa. And I would ask him, how many words or how many letters does lupa have? L-U-P-A. Okay, how many? And then he will count. I also use it with syllables. Okay, so every time that you make a pause, you push one of those little bubbles. Lupa. So how many syllables? 2. So I use this like that. I also use it in math, like for math. Like I said, you can pretty much make anything interactive. All right, so those are just some of the few things that I got. I hope that you saw something that you liked, and if you didn't, that's okay. I mean, a lot of these things you can just recreate, right? Like you can pretty much make something interactive by just cutting, copying, gluing somewhere else. All right. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you like and subscribe. Hit the little bell for notifications. I am working on a video to show you our most favorite read alouds, and I'm super excited to show you that because books are my love language. So if you also enjoy to find out new books to read in your homeschool, please make sure that you follow us so that you can get that video next time. Okay, as always, thank you so much for spending your time with me and watching our little journey. See you next time.